Let's get started. Potato, onion, coriander, green chili, red chili flakes, red chili, vinegar, chicken powder, salt. Mash the potato. Simple bread. Cut the round shape. Assembling. Take a spoon, add mixture on the bread. Second step. Make a round shape with the help of hand. Put a round shape on the bread. Look at the process. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. All the bread will be prepared like this. Next process: egg, red chili, salt, egg, breadcrumbs, oil. Fry until golden brown. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.